Hey you, what's up? This is Anjali and welcome to Book XP. Karma is a twisted concept, or well, we have made it a twisted concept over the decades. And Sadhguru, with his latest book, Karma, tries to shatter the myths around it and tells us and makes us understand what it is, why is it important, how to exhaust, and in the end, how to liberate from it. And in this video, we are going to look at some important lessons from this book. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, do tell me, do you read spiritual books? The first lesson is anything that is cyclic is a trap to avoid. And remember, everything that is physical is cyclic. The idea is not to bound ourselves from what our mind says or project to us. Our life repeats itself until we break the cycle. And remember, there are two things that causes suffering: memory and imagination. And to break out of that cycle, we need to understand that this moment is inevitable. It means aligning yourself with the way things are, not the way you think they should be. The second lesson is mental alertness is not awareness. Awareness has nothing to do with the logical mind, nor it has anything to do with mindfulness. Awareness means consciousness without content. It emerges from the deepest layers of us. While mental alertness is exclusive as it enhances our ability to survive in this world, awareness is inclusive. It is a way of embracing this entire existence. And to bring awareness into our life, we need physical, mental, and energy body alignment. The third one is to understand the karma simply. Karma is action. Your karma is your action, your responsibility. Let's have a look at it this way. The way I am right now is of my making. The way I will be tomorrow will also be of my making. This is our karma and we cannot escape it. And there's also a collective karma which connects us with the whole planet and everything around us. And as much as I want to sum up this book for you, I really want you to read it and understand the concept on your own. I hope that you get something from this video and you read about the concept. But before you dive into that book, read my review on Instagram. It is a detailed review and there are few things that you need to consider before you dive into this book. So that's it for today. I see you guys next time. Happy readings. Bye-bye.